Honorable Minister, distinguished dignitaries, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is a great honor and privilege for me to share with you the excitement of today's opening of a new chapter in the history of this premier institution in Calcutta, famous in India and worldwide for its research work, which includes work of Sir Ronald Ross of malaria parasite fame. It's a milestone in the life of this institution. It is also a beginning of an important chapter in my professional career here in Calcutta. Away from my other contacts in the UK, including the Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, and the Royal Society of Medicine. Regenerative medicine has a Greek symbol, Prometheus. As punishment for giving fire to mankind, Zeus ordered Prometheus chained to a rock and sent an eagle to eat his liver each day. However, Prometheus's liver was able to regenerate itself daily, thus enabling him to survive. The scientific researchers and medical doctors of today hope to make the legendary concept of regeneration into reality by developing therapies to restore lost, damaged, or aging cells and tissues in the human body. Instead of giving you a talk straight to the camera, I'm now going to be interviewed by a medical journalist friend, Dr. Haider Jan. Over to you, Dr. Haider.
Good morning, Dr. Basu. Please could you tell us a little bit about the concept of regenerative medicine and translational science?
Regenerative medicine is the process of replacing or regenerating human cells, tissues, or organs to restore or establish normal function. Using regenerative medicine, researchers are creating new treatments that can actually repair diseased, injured, or congenitally defective tissues. This cellular and tissue repair will restore tissue and organ function through three related strategies. Number one, replacement, which means transplanting cells, tissues, or organs into your body. Secondly, regeneration. This relies on reprogramming your own cells in the laboratory and delivering them back into your body, as in cartilage. And lastly, rejuvenation, stimulating your body's cells to self-renew, as in regeneration of nerve cells.
What are the sources of these cells and are they readily available?
They can be made readily available, derived from embryonic stem cells, as in umbilical cord blood, from bone marrow stem cells, or induced pluripotent stem cells from more mature tissues. Stem cells can also be modified through genetic manipulation for gene therapy or drugs testing.
What is translational medicine?
Well, translational medicine is obviously a newish term. It is the dream of research workers. It is bench-to-bedside translation and scale-up of stem cell and regenerative medicine therapies. It is the only way to contribute to improvement of human health via application of research and training in stem cell biology. This innovative approach will shorten the time needed to apply basic knowledge to establish clinical care in regenerative medicine.
Why is it so important?
Regenerative medicine deals with the root causes of disease, damage to cells. Traditional medicine works by countering the effects of this cellular damage on the body, like symptomatic treatment of disease, as in insulin therapy for diabetes mellitus. Regenerative medicine, however, is a therapeutic platform which works by restoring the cells quantitatively and qualitatively, for example, by restoring islets of Langerhans to secrete insulin. So therefore, regenerative medicine can also assist development and testing of new drugs with shortened development time frame, organs for transplantation, and possibly treatment of metastatic cancer.
How did it start?
The concept is relatively new. William Hazeltine, who is the founder of Human Genome Sciences, coined the term regenerative medicine, I believe, in the 90s. In 1992, Leland Kaiser predicted that a new branch of medicine will develop that attempts to change the course of chronic disease and in many instances will regenerate tired and failing organ systems and their cells. And it has moved on from there. Of course, the rest is history.
What are the current applications?
Well, these are many and varied. Majority are experimental, some are evidence-based, but times are changing fast, and I believe widening of the clinical applications, especially through cord blood stem cells, are on the horizon. Of course, these developments will include type 1 diabetes, heart disease. Currently, that's mostly in animal studies, but human work is going on. Central nervous system disorders, including cerebral palsy, dementia, and others, joint disease improvement, etc. Now, other options include tissue engineering, developing organs outside the body ex vivo, and then replacing them inside the body. Gene induction of totipotent stem cells can, of course, lead to potential application in joint and muscle disorders, etc. As I said, the indications and scope of therapy using stem cells are on the increase, and this trend is likely to continue.
What is your expectation of the future at Calcutta School of Tropical Medicine?
Well, I envisage a very bright future. The potential for development of this science is great. The team is strong. It is multidisciplinary. It has local, national, and international faculty, and it has a strong multidisciplinary clinical facility in a number of hospitals in Calcutta. Above all, it has a great scientist and academician as the head in the form of Dr. Niranjan Bhattacharya. The future belongs to you.
Do you have any reservations about this development in medicine?
Of course, like any other new developments, we have to remain vigilant about ethical, moral issues, not to mention scientific ownership or intellectual property issues, etc. These are not difficult issues to overcome if we all work together.
And finally, what message do you have for the audience in Calcutta listening to you today?
You are creating history, not only in the field of regenerative medicine, but in medicine in Calcutta. This is a revolution, not just an evolution. I wish I could be there in person with you to share this great event and excitement of the great day. Please walk tall, remain proud in your institution as I am proud of the Calcutta School of Tropical Medicine.
Thank you very much, Dr. Basu.
Thank you.